Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video you'll be seeing what are all the materials you need before you start crocheting. So as a beginner you might be very confused what materials you need to start crocheting. So I thought this video might help you. So yeah, let's see what are all the materials you need. So first thing is yarn. There are various types of yarn for crocheting, like acrylic, cotton, milk cotton, but for a beginner I would suggest using acrylic yarn. So this is the acrylic yarn. So this will be very flexible to work with, and it will be easier for beginners to learn crocheting with this acrylic yarn. So yeah, I would suggest using acrylic yarn. This is also easily available and affordable also. So yes, the yarn. And the second thing is hooks. So I bought this hook set from Flipkart. I have mentioned the link in the description, so you can find it in the description. Yes, okay. In this we can see there are various sizes in this, starting from 2 mm. I think it's visible, from 2 mm until the maximum size is 6.5 mm. So yes, mostly you'll be using 2, 2.5, 3 and 3.5. Mostly you'll be using these 4 sizes. When once you learn crocheting very well, yeah, you might use it in future also. These hooks are also for crocheting, but you might not need them now, because these are all for very thin yarns, like 2-ply cotton, 3-ply cotton yarns. So now you'll not be using it much, so don't bother about that. You'll be using this hook sizes now. With acrylic and cotton yarns you'll be using this hooks. So yes, that's the hooks. And then of course you need a scissor and a stitch marker. This is a stitch marker. You will be using it in some projects to mark the stitches, so that you don't get confused. If you don't have a stitch marker, you can also use a paper clip. If you have a paper clip, you can also use it as a stitch marker. You don't have to particularly buy this from another shop, okay? If you don't have this, you can also use a paper clip, not a problem. And this needle set. Sometimes you need to sew some in some projects you need to sew something, so yes, you need some needle set. And these are all the materials you need to start crocheting. If you're a beginner, if you don't have any idea how to start and where to start, what to buy, what are the materials you need to buy, so I thought making this video will be helpful. So yes, if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.